What you're about to witness isn't just a construction project. It's a forgotten secret to a more meaningful life unveiled. Deep in the wilderness, one man is reviving an ancient art, using only his hands and the wisdom of the earth. Stay with us, because the final creation will change how you see the world. The journey begins not with a blueprint, but with a search for the perfect place. Here, the first foundations of a new life will be laid. With patience and strength, he begins to shape the unyielding stone. Each rock is carefully chosen, a piece of a magnificent puzzle. The ancient technique of dry stone walling takes form, a silent testament to perseverance, rising from the forest floor. Now, wood becomes the focus, the future bones of the shelter. An ingenious system, born from necessity and timeless knowledge. The walls ascend, a fortress of solitude and purpose. A dance of balance and leverage as the structure grows. The first elements of a roof are hoisted into place. This is more than building a house, it's the crafting of a sanctuary. With the main structure established, his focus turns inward. A home is not complete without the promise of warmth. The walls are sealed, a barrier against the wild outside. And in this solitude, a quiet satisfaction begins to bloom. The project continues, a testament to one man's unwavering vision. Even the smallest flower is a reminder of the beauty in this endeavor. He is a master of his craft, turning raw nature into refined form. Every notch and joint is carved with astounding precision. He reads the grain of the wood like a language only he understands. The massive timber frame is lifted, a milestone in the journey. Slowly, painstakingly, a doorway to this new world is created. The harmony between stone and wood becomes clear. The earth itself provides the mortar, binding the stones together. A close-up reveals the intimate connection between creator and creation. An arched lintel, a touch of artistry in the wilderness. The shelter is no longer a dream, but a tangible reality. With the structure solid, the final details are tended to. A gentle sweeping, a gesture of care for his new home. Throughout the toil, he is not entirely alone. A loyal companion shares in the quiet moments of this great work. Inside, the first meal is shared by the warmth of the stone hearth. The finished home, a jewel nestled in the vast green forest. But the work is never truly done. The land provides endless tasks. The first plume of smoke signals not just a fire, but a home. He continues to shape his surroundings, living in rhythm with the seasons. Clearing the land, making way for what is to come. A man, his dogs, and a kingdom built by his own hands. The work continues with another structure, another purpose. The ground is broken once more, preparing for a new design. From the very earth, a stone oven begins to take shape. The primal elements of fire and stone are harnessed with skill. With immense effort, a massive capstone is hoisted into place. a testament to the power of simple machines and human will. He prepares more timber, the essential material for his vision. Inside the shelter, a hidden cellar is excavated from the ground. A faithful observer watches the progress with quiet patience. Man and animal sharing a moment of silent understanding. The homestead expands, with new boundaries being drawn. The structures blend seamlessly with the natural world around them. His ingenuity is on full display, preparing for the next heavy lift. With rope on his shoulder, he embodies the spirit of self-reliance. Even the smallest tools are crafted by hand from the forest's bounty. Each shaving of wood is a deliberate, meditative act. He prepares for the coming cold, stockpiling fuel for the fire. An ancient drill bores through wood, a rhythm of patient labor. The beautiful, sturdy roof stands as a monument to his craft. He works atop his creation, a master of his domain. Attention now turns to the roof, the shelter's final shield. The loyal companion is never far, a silent partner in the build. A stunning view of the structure, a blend of strength and grace. The roof is layered with stone, adding weight and permanence. Natural clay and mud are used to seal every gap, an age-old technique. A careful balancing act as the final stones are set. Inside, the massive wooden beams create a sense of enduring safety. After the hard labor, there are moments of peaceful respite. Even the simplest tools require maintenance and care. He gathers hay, preparing for the needs of the coming seasons. A living roof, soon to be covered in earth, is put in place. The shelter is literally covered by the land it sits upon. Mixing the earth, preparing the final layer of insulation. A stone pathway is laid, adding a touch of order to the wild. A moment of reflection, wiping the sweat of honest labor from his brow. The forest provides not just materials, but a place for contemplation. He gathers stones from the stream, polished smooth by time and water. Each one is inspected, chosen for a specific place in the design. The ancient roots of the forest mirror the deep foundations he has laid. The work is cyclical, always returning to the earth and its gifts. Inside his workshop, a stone floor is meticulously laid. Each slab is placed with care, creating a solid, lasting surface. The outdoor kitchen is now a hub of activity and creation. He works wood with a craftsman's focus, even in the dim light. Stone is split with precision, shaped to fit his purpose. The oven's interior is smoothed, ready for the first fire. This is a place of both function and profound beauty. Wooden shelves are fitted, a place for storage and sustenance. Kindling is arranged, preparing to bring the hearth to life. The final touches are applied with a delicate, practiced hand. The floor is leveled, a solid ground on which to stand. His work is a quiet symphony of natural materials. completed outdoor kitchen, a testament to his incredible skill. Every corner of this space reflects a deep and abiding focus. This is not merely survival, this is art. His attention now turns to the finer details, the comforts of home. A window is crafted, a portal between the cozy interior and the wild outside. With a craftsman's eye, he ensures every piece fits perfectly. The window is set into the thick stone wall, a delicate task. Another opening is cleared, ready for its frame. He applies the final plaster, his hands shaping the very walls. The finished house stands proud, a perfect fusion with its environment. The forest provides an endless supply of raw material. Back in his workshop, he continues to shape and refine the wood. A new frame is assembled, part of a larger, evolving design. The rhythmic tap of the hammer is the only sound in the quiet forest. His movements are efficient, born from countless hours of practice. Every nail driven is another step toward completion. The house stands as a powerful symbol of what one person can achieve. There is a profound sense of peace in this focused, creative work. The final piece of the puzzle is put into place. The home is now a sanctuary, filled with warmth and handcrafted beauty. His next project, crafting furniture to fill the space he has built. The legs of a rustic chair take shape under his skilled hands. With a simple knife, he carves with intricate detail. A moment of rest on a chair he made himself, a reward well earned. Even the smallest harvest from the land is a gift. He enjoys the simple bounty of his surroundings. The cycle of work continues, chopping wood for the home fires. The house stands sentinel in the forest, a completed dream. He continues to improve his home, a never-ending labor of love. The arched window, once just an idea, is now a beautiful reality. He cleanses the space, a ritual of care and ownership. He prepares a fire, the heart of his wilderness home. Bringing fuel to the hearth, a timeless and essential task. This is a life of purpose, connected to the earth. The work is constant, but it is fulfilling. He now builds a fence, defining the boundaries of his homestead. He digs deep, setting the posts that will stand for years to come. He carries the weight of his work with strength and dignity. A moment of quiet contemplation, overlooking his creation. He stands before his home, a master builder, a modern pioneer. The wooden fence is carefully assembled, piece by piece. The ground is prepared for the next stage of the project. The fence line extends, a rustic and beautiful addition to the property. Materials are laid out, ready for the stonework to begin. From inside, the view is of a world he has shaped and built. The stonework requires a delicate touch and a keen eye. As night falls, the mountains stand in silent witness to his work. He splits wood with an expert's swing, preparing for future builds. The homestead is a picture of self-sufficient harmony. His hands are rarely still, always engaged in a creative task. Another ingenious device, using weight and gravity to his advantage. He gathers resources from the surrounding land. His life is intertwined with the animals and plants of the forest. He tends to new life, a gardener in his wild paradise. He prepares the soil, giving back to the earth that provides so much. A new tree is planted, a promise for the future. At the end of the day, he returns to the sanctuary he built. This is a life of deep connection, skill, and quiet purpose. The living roof is the final, transformative touch. The path to his home is now paved with stone. The structure becomes a part of the living landscape itself. In the end, he has built more than a house. A very special thank you to the owner of the Lesnoy Craft for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.